Tell you something, I spotted these on Amazon quite some time ago. Dancing water speakers. Fairly small, but also fairly cheap. I think these were about £20, something like that. They are fantastic things. You basically plug them into your laptop or your iPad, and the music, as you can see I'm doing Spotify here, the music basically sets off the water in these twin speakers. The sound is not fantastic, but it's okay, but the effect is absolutely wonderful. I saw him using it at Fountaindale School the other day like this with a PC setup, but there is another little idea for these where you can actually input voice. It's brilliant, or in fact use them with apps. Watch this. The first thing you need to do, instead of plugging the USB into a computer, plug it into a USB plug. This is a Tesco Huddle charger I've got this into. So now take the jack lead, which you'd normally plug into the output on the computer, plug that jack lead from the speakers into the headphone socket of the iPad, and then if you're playing with something like GarageBand, it'll make the speakers operate. Fantastic! Now, do you remember the app Beams that I showed the other week? Plug it in with Beams on and watch it go. It's not just about the sound. If you're looking for an amazing switch that has a wonderful effect, this is brilliant.
Pump up the volume, pump up the volume.
Okay, if that's a bit noisy for you, try Fingertip Maestro. If you'd like to power these speakers with a learner's voice, use something like A-Delay 2. The microphone on the iPad is at the same end as the jack plug for the speaker. Wow. You could, of course, take one step further by plugging a microphone into the iPad. Bit complex, but you can do it. But this does work pretty well with the internal mic. You don't have to speak that loud. It does seem to respond better to low frequency, but this is a lovely cause and effect tool. And with a bit of imagination, these speakers can be great fun.